As creators, marketers, and business owners, we churn out vast amounts of content every single day. But with great power comes great responsibility. The responsibility to manage, organize, and retrieve this content when we need it. Enter the world of AI writing tools. While they've transformed how we create content, there's been a glaring oversight. Platforms like ChatGPT can generate the content at the speed of thought. But when it comes to organization, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Let's face it, ChatGPT is a hot mess when it comes to organizing content. Ever tried revisiting a piece of content you generated in the past? With AI platforms that lack organization, it's like trying to find your way through a maze blindfolded. It's really not fun, and it's not a great way to start your marketing or any type of project. It's not just about creating content anymore. It's about creating it smartly, about having a tool that doesn't just generate, but also organizes. A tool that understands the value of every piece of content that you create. Well, imagine a world where your AI-powered content tool not only produces top quality writing, but also files it away, ready to be retrieved at a moment's notice. This isn't a dream anymore. It's a content marketer's dream. Reality has come true. It's the next evolution in AI writing. With Groove AI, you don't have to get an AI writer. You can just co-pilot and also have an organizer, a very meticulous organizer, librarian on your side, working for you day and night for free. Groove AI, where content meets organization. Let me show you a demo of a project that I'm working on right now. Come inside. So here we have my ChatGPT. As I said, it's a hot mess. There's absolutely no organization. There's no search function. There's no filing system. There's no way to deliberately organize your content. It's just by date. And the last one that you did is on the very top. So if I worked with a chat months and months ago, it's going to be very difficult for me to go ahead and find what I'm looking for in a fast manner. So I want an AI tool that's going to be like an add-on to my ChatGPT so that I could work in a very organized fashion, but also have some shortcuts that will work with ChatGPT, but also get my specific projects done when it comes to all the different kinds of content that I'm going to create. So I'm going to head over to Groove AI, and here's my dashboard. I'm going to head over to projects. Now here are the two projects that I'm working on. I want to start to work on my pillowcases. That's what I'm designing for the season. I'm having some fun here. Actually, I'm going to go back because what I'm going to do first, I'm going to create a knowledge base around my pillowcase business. And how I'm going to quickly do that is I'm just going to record a brain dump of what my pillowcase business is, why I started it, and why I love doing it so much. So since I'm already recording a video right now, I'm just going to do it, and then we'll go to the next screen where I'll get that text, and then I'll show you how I use that to create a knowledge base where Groove AI is going to know everything about my pillowcase business from start to finish, that I tell it so that it knows how to write my copy, every piece of copy that I have in the future. So why do I love creating pillowcases? Well, for me, it's a creative outlet, but I also really strongly feel that when you go to sleep and you have a nice experience when your head hits the pillow because you read like a pillowcase, or you see a message on your pillowcase, or you see an image that really resonates with you, that creates a good feeling in your body, that creates a feeling of love and empowerment and just plain thankfulness that you got to live another day and that you're going to have an amazing night's sleep and a nice night's rest, because that is so important. Sleep is so important for your body and your mind and your brain and all the cells in your body. Like, we all need sleep. I personally love to sleep, and I love designing funny, creative, enlightening, thankful pillowcases for people. I just want to be able to change the world one pillowcase at a time. And I want to have a great time doing it, and I enjoy doing it, and I love giving them as gifts, and I want people to want to give pillowcases as gifts, specifically my custom pillowcases. And that's why I do it. Okay, so the program that I just used to record that is called Descript. And what it did was I recorded just my audio, and it actually transcribed my audio for me in a matter of like less than a minute. So here's what I recorded. I could even highlight this if I wanted to. And that's the transcript of my brain dump. So now all I have to do is copy this, go over to Groove AI, create a new knowledge base. I'm going to call this Pillowcase Land, because that's the name of my store. I'm going to create new, and then I'm going to open that up, and then I'm just going to say brain dump on Pillowcase Land. I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and press this button, train. Yes, I'm sure. So now when I go back to my projects, once this is indexed, which has happened very quickly, I'm going to go to my projects. Now check this out. So I already set up a project, and now, number one, not only can I use my knowledge base, because now that I have two created, but now I want to use Pillowcase Land, and I want to use 100% of the knowledge base about Pillowcase Land, because I only wanted to grab data and write me content on what I told it. I'm not going to get into all these presets right now. This is the topic of organization. So here, let's say I wanted to create a product description. I'm just going to go to this tab here, and I'm going to name it product description. So I can go ahead and work my AI with my description. And now let's say I'm going to click on that. I'm going to start a new conversation, and I'm going to call this one thank you email. Let's say I'm thanking customers for their purchase. So as you can see, this is where the organization starts to happen. You can create as many documents as you want and conversations as you want, and it stays in the same place. And it's easy to find. And you could move this around. That's a new feature. You could move it around in order of importance, in order of what you're working on. It's really just perfect when it comes to organizing your AI, quickly finding things. And also, if you're managing your clients' information, that's also quickly to find. And you could also, there's clever ways in here where you could send content right from Groove AI right to your client. But that's for another video. So I love it because of the organization and the easiness of finding things when I need it. Hey, if you like this video, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And also go ahead and check out my exclusive bonus if you purchase Groove AI through my affiliate link. I have an exclusive bonus that no one else is offering. We're going to get you started on the right foot when it comes to AI and using it in your business with a 30-minute conversation with yours truly. Let's talk and chat about AI and how it could change your business overnight. Go ahead, purchase Groove AI with my link, and I'll see you on the other side.